Hi folks. So let us come to the second problem, that is find customer referee. Okay. So we have been given with a customer table, which is having three columns: ID of integer type, name of varchar, referee ID, and int. So so they are saying ID is the primary key for this table, and each row of this table indicates that the ID of a customer indicates the ID of the customer, their name, and the ID of the customer who referred them. Okay, and we have to the requirement is we have to find the names of the customers that are either referred by any customer other than ID number 2. Okay, referred by any customer with ID not equals to 2. That simply means find all the customers who are referred by any other customer other than 2, and the customers who are not referred by any one. Okay, so this is the requirement, guys, and return the result of the table in any order. Okay, so once again, if we look at the table, we will go through each and every the sample test case and each and every row, and we will try to find out what rows all will be there inside the inside our output. Okay, so if we see coming to row number one, if you see here, row number one, we have referee ID as null. So yes, it satisfies the second condition. So this row record will be in our final output. And coming to row number two, the referee ID is null. So yes, this is also satisfied. Coming to record 3, it is the referee ID is ID number 2. So this will not come. Okay, this actually satisfies this condition, right? Referred by any customer other than ID2. I mean not satisfied. I mean it will say. I mean it is opposite to this first condition, right? So he is referred. Alex was referred by referee ID2. So we have to not take him into the final answer. And coming to record number 4, he was referred by no one, so he should be taken into the final output. And coming to record number 5, he was okay. Zach was referred by 1, so he can be in the final output. And coming to the last, Mark was referred by 2, so we have to drop him. So overall, finally, if we take Will, okay, so Will is in the output, Jane will be on the output, and Bill will be on the output, and Zach. Okay, so this is the final output that we need to do. So it is also again a pretty simple question. So now we will directly jump onto the code. Okay, so again, when we are writing query, we will again start with the from, like how the SQL engine executes the query, right? It always starts from the from. Okay, so from table, assume like whenever you are writing this query, as this whole imagination or execution plan should be done in your mind. Okay, so from table, right? So from table name is customers. Okay, from customer table. So what are the conditions? Okay, the condition is he should be not referred by ID number 2. Okay, so this is ID where referee ID. Okay, so where referee ID must not be equal to 2. So must not be equal to 2. Will you write like this? SQL engine will throw an error. So it not equals to is not, like, this is not a programming language. This is a database language, right? So not equals to in different SQL in almost every SQL language is like this. Okay, so this is not equal to in SQL. So referee ID is not equals to 2. And one more condition is not referred by anyone. Okay, it is not and, because it can be either, right? If it is not referred, or it is not and condition, it is or condition. So he shouldn't be referred by anyone, or he shouldn't be referred by 2. Okay, so this is the case. Now I will just referee ID is null. Okay, so from customers I want I want where the referee ID is not equals to 2, or the referee ID is null. Okay, that is, if he shouldn't be referred by ID number 2, or in other words, he should be referred by anyone other than 2, or he should referred by none of them. Okay, that is referee ID is null. Now what we need to select the name. Okay, not ID, not anything, we need to just select the name, right? So now we will just run it on the sample test case provided, and yeah, it is taking some time. Yep, so it passed on the sample test case. So we'll just submit this solution and check if it runs fine for all the backend test cases. So yep, wait a minute. Yes, so it has passed, and again I've said you don't go on this. If you want to check like the solutions, you can go through the this solution, so you can see it will be the same or this question. So for most of these basic questions, almost everyone writes the same answer. You'll find most of the solutions are similar. Okay, so that's it from the second question. I'll meet you in the third question. Thank you.